back, everyone. Firstly, I just wanted to say thanks for all the subscribers, and it's amazing this channel is getting close to 10,000 subscribers, which is just amazing, and it's inspired me to keep going with these projects. So the trike is done, and as you've seen in previous videos, it's turned out really good, and it's time to move on to something new. So you can probably see in the background here, the next project is going to be a motorbike, and this is one I got recently. It's an XJ650 from 1981. It's a Yamaha 4-cylinder, and it does need a bit of work. It runs, I think, so I'll try to start it later. So in Australia, there's a probationary period after you get your license where you can't ride bikes over a certain capacity, and this is one of them. But this build will take a few months, and by the time it's done, I should be ready to be able to ride this caliber of bike. So just putting some fuel in here, see if I can kick it over. As I said, it's done about 110,000 Ks, I think. I'm pretty sure it will run. The last time I heard it running was just before I purchased it, and you know, it was a bit rattly. But I'll give it a go here. It has been sitting around for a while. So firstly, just hook up a battery. This is just a small battery from a RC, you know, like a remote control car or boat. Actually works fine. So I first try it here. Unfortunately, when I do, all I get is a clicking noise. And tried a bit of spray, but obviously it just doesn't want to turn over. So really, I was unsure what it was. So I thought first thing I will try is putting a bigger battery on. So I've got the car battery out, and same thing. And then what I found is it looks like the starter motor is actually playing up. So what I did is just gave the starter motor a tap. It looks like the brushes may have been worn out in the starter motor, and then I got it to crank over. And here I'm just trying over and over to see if I can get it to start. So magic spray there from Australia, start your bastard, and it does do the trick. So you can see here it takes a few goes and I finally get it running. And it actually runs reasonable, doesn't blow too much smoke, but it's got a real rattle to it. Really, I don't know what's wrong with it. So anyway, I'm open to suggestions on what everyone thinks I should do with this bike. I'm thinking of changing the front and rear, and I've got some parts on order already, and maybe build it into like a cafe style. So I'll go through some of that in the next video, but interested in your thoughts, so please post your comments, let me know what you think. You can see here the clutch is stuck, so the clutch plate, so just doesn't want to go. But I'll get it going here, just get a bit of a push, give it a quick ride up the drive, and at least it's a starter. I test all the lights, all the electrics worked. So next video I will show you the parts, hopefully would have arrived. I'll show you the parts I've got, and the plan is I'll start on the front end first, and then do something with the rear wheel, and then just go from there. So any ideas you've got, I haven't worked on a 650 before, no doubt there's some great ideas out there, so if you've got them you want to share, that would be awesome. Stay tuned.